up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting into my January favorites. Now, a couple of these items are items that I have used previously and in the past before, but there's definitely been like a resurgence in our relationship. We've pretty much rekindled. So I wanted to make sure that I had enough time to present them back to you all for the most part. And some of these are definitely going to be newer items that were pretty much in rotation since like the end of December, but I really wanted to make sure it was going to be a very loving relationship before I gave it to you all in a favorites video. Now, if you are interested in seeing my January favorites, keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to get started, and the first item I'm going to talk about is from Marc Jacobs Beauty. It is the Velvet Noir Extreme Volume Mascara. Now, this mascara, I first got introduced to this mascara back in December, and I figured I would just wait a little bit until I actually tried it out. And I believe my first time trying it out was for New Year's Eve, if not a couple of days before. And let me tell you, I'm in love. Like, this mascara wand, first of all, is really about that business. Sis really gets in between lashes for lifting, lengthening, and it really gives you voluminous lashes. I also love the formula because it's super dark, and for me, I really love black mascara because I feel like if I'm gonna wear mascara, I want my lashes to look really dramatic and really bold, and this mascara seriously delivers. Marc Jacobs Beauty actually sent this to me, so thank you all so much. But seriously, this mascara has really been my go-to since around New Year's Eve, and for the entire month of January, this has been the only mascara that I've been wearing. Next up, also from Marc Jacobs, is the No Angel lipstick. Now, this lipstick, I first introduced it to you all for New Year's Eve. This was my go-to lip combo. And since then, I've been wearing this lipstick for a few other things as well, so you guys can see what that looks like. So my go-to lip liner with this lipstick, I love a brown lip liner. I'll apply my lipstick, and then I tend to use MAC's Oyster Girl lip gloss on top, and that is seriously my go-to lip combo. Like, it's a super bomb nude lip. I don't know if I'm going to include like a picture off to the side, or if I'm going to just include the link to the Instagram photo in my description box so you guys have an idea as to what it looks like. But this is seriously, in my opinion, one of the best nude lipsticks I've gotten my hands on. It's a really creamy formula. It's super hydrating. My lips don't feel dry when using it, and the color is just really nice. I feel like this color can be used for various skin tones, a multitude of skin tones, and of course, if you are worried about the actual color itself, pairing it with a brown liner is the best way to get use out of this lipstick. Next up, this is the Smashbox Primer Water. Now, this item, I've definitely seen it before, but I didn't know what the big deal was with primer waters, so I was like, a little skeptical about it. But I figured I would grab this. I actually got this from like the checkout area in Sephora, and I was like, you know what the hell, it's $15. I'll test it out and then I'll make my decisions from there. I have not put this down. My first time using it was definitely, a lot of these first time for New Year's Eve, because I feel like that was just going to be the test to let me know if it was something that was worth repurchasing or using. But this primer water is a serious way to really hydrate the skin before actually applying your makeup. So what I like to do is I'll mist this all over my face after my moisturizer. Then I'll begin layering on like my creamier primers, and then I begin doing my makeup from there. I might use this during the actual process of application once I'm done with my powders, just to really help those powders settle into the skin and look more skin-like. But I really love this. It's a really nice mist that comes out, and it's also great for refreshing your makeup. So it's a very fine mist. It smells really good as well. It's not heavy on fragrance, but it does have a little light fragrance to it, not a big deal. But it seriously is really fine, and it's a great way to set and refresh your makeup. But I really love using this, like I said, after my moisturizers before I begin my makeup application, because I feel like it's a great way to really add a little bit of additional hydration to the skin, and it seriously delivers. Next up, I have the Artist Couture. This is the Diamond Lights Finisher in the color or shade Spotlight Glitz. Now, I first saw this on, of course, Artist Couture's Instagram, and I was like, oh, I need that. And seriously, I love this this product. This is what it looks like when you open the cap. So let me just, so you guys can see a little better. But seriously, like, this product is just so bomb. It has like silicone oil in it to help the glitters adhere, which I really love. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that glitter here and just apply it to the back of my hand. So I'm going to be very careful. And that is what it looks like. And like that was only a little bit, so just imagine when you really go in. So I've been using this Spotlight Glitz, the Diamond Lights finisher, as an inner corner highlight. I used it for New Year's Eve, and that was really my test just to see if I was gonna like it. But I'm dying to actually try this on my lid. Like I said, I've been using it as an inner corner highlight, and a little bit seriously goes a long way because it's like really fine glitters. And like I said, they all have a silicone, it's a silicone oil base so that they adhere to the skin a little better. I didn't worry about flaking or the little shimmers falling off at the end of the night or through the night or anything like that. It's beautiful on. So like I said, I've been using it as an inner corner highlight. So I can only imagine the damage I'm going to do with it on actual lids. So, all right, next up, I have 2 items from TGIN. These are the items that I seriously use for my wash and goes. Like, this is my go-to combination. So first up, we have the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. Now, this leave-in conditioner is super moisturizing. It has a ton of slip and the fragrance is amazing. It's very like tropical in my opinion. This is formulated with green tea and argan oil. It's a lightweight moisturizing leave-in conditioner for all hair types. Now, like I said, it's super moisturizing and I love it. I really use this under the next product that I'm about to discuss, and I seriously go about my business. My hair stays hydrated and moisturized for days on end. I haven't done anything to my hair since, and it's still super soft, which I love. But this leave-in conditioner, it really makes a world of difference. It smells amazing, it feels amazing in the hair, and it has a ton of slip, which is something that I'm very adamant about. Not only for my deep conditioners, but also for my leave-ins, which is when I tend to still rake my fingers through my hair for styling purposes. So that is the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. And lastly, what I like to use for my wash and go is going to be the Curl Balm Moisturizing Styling Gel. Now, this gel seriously has a ton of hold. You're going to get a ton of curl definition. And my wash and goes tend to last for a couple of days using this. It does have a little bit of a crunch when you are fully dry, but depending on how I dry my hair, whether it's air drying, which is when I'll get a majority of the crunch, diffusing, I have a very light crunch. By then it's softened a lot since you are, you know, touching the hair a little bit more, and I do tend to use an oil after styling my hair overall just to give it a little more shine and to just break up that gel cast so it's not really hard and crunchy. And then I just let my hair do what it's going to do over a few days. I seriously love this gel. I get a ton of curl definition, which is very important for me, especially when I'm doing my wash and goes. I love a lot of definition for like the first day, and then as it goes or grows for like second, third, fourth day, that's when it'll get a little frizzier, but it also gets a little bigger, which I don't mind. But I still do have a lot of definition here and there in some various spots that haven't been like picked to eternity for the most part. But this gel is seriously bomb, girl bomb. But it's seriously bomb. Like, it gives me everything that I'm looking for from my wash and goes, and seriously, this combination is the only thing that I've been doing. So anytime you guys see me with a wash and go, please believe this is the combination that I'm using. So that's pretty much it for my January favorites. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Very brief, but definitely some good items in here, and you guys are definitely going to see these for a while. So make sure y'all looking on the Instagram. I'm definitely going to leave my Instagram down below. If you don't follow me, please make sure that you follow me. You are missing out on my shenanigans. But that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give your girl a thumbs up, please. And I'll see you in my next video.